So friends, I was also discussing about the ways you can represent your solute and solvent in a solution. There are also very much important ways in which you can represent your quantity of your solute and your solvent in a solution. That is through molarity and molality. So there is this one big confusion that you might get in these words, that is molarity and molality, and which to be used at which time. So, to be very specific about it, molarity is represented by capital M and molality is represented by small m. So, you're going to use it in the respective positions where the bigger M and the smaller m are being used. Okay. So, going on to the molarity part. Molarity is simply the number of moles of the solute upon the volume of the solution is going to give you the molarity of the solution, and molarity is equals to number of moles of the solute upon the number of moles of upon the mass of the solvent. That is, for example, we have a solution of CH3Cl, and the number of moles of Cl is 1, and the mass of CH3 that we are taking is 200 grams. So your molarity is going to be 1 upon 200. Molality. It's going to be represented by small m, as I'm repeating again. So these are the two binary methods of representing, two very important methods of representing the solvent and your solute in terms of each other when they are given in a solution.